list, right? Now, how do we know what that pod is? The pod we talked about, this guy, right? What is its name or what task it is assigned to? Mm, So I run journal ctl -u container d and grep, and it tells me this is the deployment and this is the sandbox id, right? Now this sandbox id, when I run list and I do grep, you can see a number, and number is pid. So I do psef grep I, and it tells me it is pause container, right? PS3 hyphen, I think GP. Let's see. Yeah, it gives me that only, but let's see if its parent container can give me something. Okay, it tells me that there is Nginx running and how it is, connected to that particular thing. And now it is showing me all the child processes too. So idea here is your pause container is the parent for processes that you are running inside containers. But how do we see if that was a kind of single pod, right? So I got the same deployment. If I see right here, right, the pod name, if I say oh YAML and then scroll bit up and look at this spec containers, I have only one container that runs, and that says go and run Nginx, right? Now, I hope this should be able to clarify what that pause is. If you are running more than one um, processes or containers, more than one container inside a pod, this pause container act as parent for processes. So the IP address for the pod, the storage, all those things are basically assigned to this pause container. When you delete a pod, not only those other containers are deleted, finally this pause container gets deleted. That's how your resources are released.